Go be awesome.
Good morning and thank you for coming. We're kicking off the 2016 Smoke Alarm Program. The Smoke Alarm Program is a voluntary program where firefighters go door to door and check your residences. We're there to provide you with some guidance and fire safety education. We'll make sure that your smoke alarms are working properly, make sure that your house is safe. We're also here to introduce a partnership with Wastewater Treatment Division. We are trying to fight grease fires in this community, and they're trying to eliminate grease getting into the sewer system.
So the deputy fire chief says, don't put water on a grease fire. And I say, don't put grease in the water. It causes 40% of our sewer blockages, and we spend over $500,000 a year cleaning sewers.
Many residents here in Kipps Lane community regularly use those grease cups for proper disposal of fats, oil, and grease, and that's evident in the quality and the shape of the sewer lines here in the area.
Before we close, I wanted to introduce our newest member of the London Fire Department, fire safety dog Archie Brindleton. Woo! Archie wanted to speak today, but his voice was a little rough. I didn't write it. This is all about trying to make London safer for the residents and the visitors, and to try and make sure that we don't become complacent in our home.
There's nothing that we could be focused on that's more important than fire safety in our homes, and it's programs and services like this that allow us to work together and ensure that Londoners and London families are as safe as they possibly can be. And remember, please remember, if you have a fire alarm in your home, it's not enough. Quite simply, it needs to work.